This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
This season of Road Warriors, we have 12 teams that go head to head. Points accumulate over 11 rounds. Have you got what it takes to become the champion?
Road Warrior.
Round 3 Road Warriors, Scoop Adams and the Cheese going up against Jazzy Jensen in the Nissan Skyline. 92 grams versus 78, 100 proof and NZ Racing. Let them rip. Scoop Adams has scored 2 wins in Road Warriors, Jazzy Jensen has 1, and they're often racing. Scoop Adams right out hard first. Jazzy Jensen hits the wall, looks like he's gone, done and dusted. No, it's a late charge by Jazzy. Well done. In a 9.18. A really nice late charge there by Jazzy Jensen. Let's have a look at that. Scoop Adams is driving the Royale Cheese and the builder is 100 proof racing. A nice first win there by Jazzy and the builder. NZ Racing has really got this car tuned. And here we go. Cars do swap lanes always in the second race. And it looks like Jazzy Jensen going out hard. Look at that line. Oh, he's just got the form tonight, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for Jazzy Jensen in an 8.50. I was a bit worried about the Nissan. I thought it would not make the distance, but they've come back very fast. They must have tuned the car over the week. And look at it go. Look at the line it takes. Taking out Battle 1. Battle 2, both cars struggling last week. Yo Jimbo is in Murder 8 for Super Zero and Hot Car Track is in the FM Rover, weighing 119 grams. This is the heaviest vehicle in Road Warriors 2. Can he come back and stop spinning out at the starter's gate? They've got the green light. Hot Car Track by a nose, takes that corner and he does his normal spin. He's going backwards and he just might get it. Well, Hot Car Track coming in a very unusual way. I don't like cars coming in backwards. But that's how it is in the 10.10. Very slow. I'm not too sure what's going on with this vehicle. It might need a service. We might actually pull it out, put it up on the hoist and have a quick look at it before we head into round 4. Race 2, Hot Car Track has the inside. They've got the green and off they go. It's the Murder 8 going out hard, blocking the FM Rover. And it's the Murder 8, yep, it's the Murder 8 all the way. And he gets across at a 9.64 and just gets pulled up on the side rail there. And a late charge there by Hot Car Track on the FM Rover. Very upset that he didn't get across the line first. Let's have a look. Yo Jimbo just blocking Hot Car Track, which actually paid off in this race tonight. Hits that sidewall, bounces around a bit, and he squares everything up. And let's head into race 3. Yo Jimbo in the inside lane driving for Super Zero Racing. They've got the green light and off they go. Hot Car Track goes out hard. Bit of a hit there by Yo Jimbo, but it's Hot Car Track all the way. He's going to take this out. No, he's pulled up. Oh, unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. Yo Jimbo coming in backwards in a very slow time of a 12.62. This has to be a record of the slowest time ever on Mount Western Raceway, but a win is a win, and that's a battle. There's Hot Car Track stuck up at the garages. Let's have a look and see what happens. Hot Car Track's just pulled up stumps right there. Left enough room for Yo Jimbo to get across. Battle 3, and I'm looking forward to this. Look at the size of the Autometer versus the Semi-Psycho. You've got Cess driving for Metal Mania 3D and REDLINE SALVAGE and the beast of a Semi-Psycho. And he's driving for himself. REDLINE SALVAGE Inc. Cess has the inside. They've got the green and off they go. Oh, it's neck and neck. It's Cess right out front. Semi-Psycho just pushes around. He's got the weight. And Cess is just trying to push him out of the way, and they pulled up right before the finish line. A D and F. Let's go again. This is only round 3. We've only seen a couple of D and Fs. And the cars are often racing in the same position as they were before, and it's neck and neck. This is really too tight to call it right here. Oh, it's Cess right out front. and she takes it with a 9.58. Well done. Let's head to the replay and check this out. I'm going to take it right back to the start. They're very close here in turn 1. Cess does that big swing, and you would think she's lost all her guts and power, but has kept it going. She gets that first race. Race 2, Semi Psycho has the inside. The green light's on and they're off down the back there, and there goes Cess right out hard, blocking Semi Psycho. Cess is right out front. I reckon she's going to take this, and it's a beautiful line she takes with a 9.70. It's very rare you see REDLINE Savage Inc. go down. REDLINE Savage Inc. is currently on 4 wins, and Cess is currently on 2, but it looks like it's changed tonight. Look at that big blocking there by Cess. What was she thinking? It's paid off whatever she was, and it put her across the line, and she's won battle 3. Here we go, battle 4. It's J Woodsy Woods versus Po Boy. Po Boy in the Nitro Door Slammer, and Woodsy in that Blackfire. 97 versus 78 grams. Po Boy Racing versus Power Drive Racing. They're at the start gate. Po Boy, he's got the inside on the first, and they're off and racing. Woodsy on the outside, taking that low corner. He's right out front. Looks like he's got this sewn up completely. No, it's a late charge there by Po Boy. The Nitro Door Slammer and the 9.24 overtakes J Woodsy Woods in that Blackfire. Let's go back and have a quick look at that. Down the back of Mount Western Straight, heading into turn 2. Woodsy has this sewn. He just slides and slips, and Po Boy's just seen that gap and says, mate, I'm across the line, I'll catch you later. There wasn't much in that last race. Woodsy in the Blackfire takes the inside, and off they go and racing. And it's Po Boy Racing right out front, takes turn 1. Woodsy's trying to play catch up. He goes up high, slides, and it is Po Boy Racing. He takes that battle out in an 8.94, a very quick time. Let's go back, because I want to look at the line that Woodsy took, and I wonder why he has taken this. Down the back, he's on the inside. He swings out wide, then he crosses over to the inside again. I know he wants to go high, but he should have stayed down low, and he would have taken out that battle. Battle 5. I'm a proud Australian. It's Big Sam in that NASCAR going up against Superman Dion from Kiwi Land. He's driving for Hot Wheel Boys, and Big Sam is driving for Mark D of CRC from Australia. I can't wait to see the outcome of this race. How good do these cars look? They're at the start gate, and they've got the green. Superman Dion with early pace. Comes out fast out of turn 1. It's the NASCAR now that swaps over, and Superman Dion takes it out in a 9.58. What a race that was, ladies and gentlemen. New Zealand versus Australia. Let's go back and dissect that one. Down the back of Mount Western Straight, you can see the NASCAR really puts his foot to the floor and spins out, and this just leaves that gap wide open for Superman Dion driving for Hot Wheel Boys. Wow, what a race. I love both of these cars. Both these cars look fantastic. I do favour the NASCAR. I love the look on this racing around the track, and it's Hot Wheel Boys right out front. Superman Dion, look at the lead he's got, and he's taken this out. He's taken battle 5, ladies and gentlemen, and an 8.80. It's taken a few rounds for Superman Dion driving Jonah for Hot Wheel Boys. Let's go back and have a look at this. Hot Wheel Boys struggling down the back. He just takes that low turn, hits the sidewall, and this really just secures his win for this battle. I've noticed Hot Wheel Boys in the garage working on the car this week, and it's paid off for Jonah. Round 6, and this could go any way. Leafer 12 in the black track, driving for BLUELINE Racing, and the Fractal Panda in the purple haze, driving for Fractal Panda in 94 grams. 84.5 versus 94. Both these cars, I think, have the potential to be right at the finish line in round 12. And often in racing, it's hard to pick this, but it's the Fractal right out front. Here comes BLUELINE. The Fractal takes it in an 8.84. It's a very quick time. A very late hit there also by Leafer 12 on that blackjack. Let's go check that replay. It's a long competition, this. However, these two really do have the opportunity to stand on the podium for first or second. I could be wrong. A as I say, there's a lot of racing, but look at the Fractal all the way from Edinburgh, Scotland. Here we go, race 2, car swap lanes. Fractal has the inside. They're often racing. The Fractal Panda's right out front. He's hit the top there, not too sure what happened. He's still got the lead and he's coming in backwards. Takes the win in an 8.96. Hits that back wall pretty hard. Well, spills and thrills on MWR. Have a look what happens here. It's a crazy angle to still take out Battle 6, the Fractal Panda. Well done. Here's the leaders board, the Fractal in the purple haze, right out front on 6. Hot Car Track and the FM Rover on the bottom on 2. Fastest time tonight was Jazzy Jensen in an 8.50. The purple haze with the record for season 2 of an 8.08. These events don't happen without our sponsors, so go check them out on all their social media platforms, give them a thumbs up or make a comment down below.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom diecast racing.